The Kenya Revenue Authority has unearthed a tax evasion scam at the Mombasa port involving fraudulent clearance of cargo that has cost the taxman more than 100 million shillings in revenue losses. Commissioner General John Njiraini says the scheme was discovered when custom officials were reconciling containers meant for auction. Njiraini said while KRA and KPA staff involved in the clearance of the cargo had been suspended, clearing agents and transporters who handled the cargo have been apprehended. The scheme came to light during a recent audit meant to ensure proper accountability for container stocks at the port and facilitate identification of overstayed containers.